so young. And then they moved when he was, I think, 7 or 8 to Colorado. So he had a different growing up season. It was more like an only child. I think because he had older brothers, it was kind of like, oh, my older brothers are great, kind of an idolization to a degree, but we didn't really know each other. My parents, because Brad and I were at University of Arizona doing our church, they said, we'll pay for you to go there as long as you go to church with your brothers. You know, it's right on campus, you can go. So he had some formative experiences on mission trips in the Dominican Republic, and then he went to Haiti after the earthquake. That would have been in 2010. Yeah, that's right, because I turned 30 while we were there. It was really